Okay, so I'm going to attempt a real-time update on the garden. Today is Saturday the 7th. On Monday the 2nd, we planted greens, and you can see here behind me that we have greens coming up, plus some other stuff. Let's see if I can do this unedited. We have greens here and there, and on the far side over there, and we have a volunteer corn and a couple of squash plants. So that's going to be rutabaga and mustard. And they're little and green. We don't have chard up yet. And we may possibly have some kale in the back here. Fun stuff. Gardens are amazing. Fresh greens are even more amazing in that you can eat them a variety of ways. I'm looking forward to possibly having this around Thanksgiving and Christmas and New Year's. And this is the first time ever that we've managed to get these planted in a proper manner. So in theory, we should have them in a timely manner. Fingers crossed. And yeah, oh, by the way, I already got deer tracks. You can see my shadow. Deer tracks right there. And then we got Peyton tracks because we've had some rain and it got squishy. Real-time garden update.